Namaste everyone, welcome to the class again. Now let us see this sixth problem. If x is a negative integer, find the solution set of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 x plus 1 greater than 0. Now here x is a negative integer. Now let us solve it. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 and here x plus 1 we have greater than 0. So first this 2 by 3 you can move on right hand side. So you will say 1 by 3 into x plus 1 is greater than minus 2 upon 3. Then you can see both the sides are divided by 3. So multiply by 3 on both the sides. You will get x plus 1 on this side is greater than minus 2. What we done? Multiply both the sides by by 3. Then x is greater than minus 2 and this plus 1 will move on that side and it will become minus 1. So this implies x is greater than minus 3. Now x is greater than minus 3. So what are the different integers greater than minus 3? Negative integers. We are talking about negative integer. So it is minus 2 and minus 1, right? You can check on number line. This is 0, this is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So the integers which are greater than minus 3 are minus 2 and minus 1, right? So therefore, as in problem, if x is a negative integer, find the solution set. So therefore, what we can say that therefore x is equals to, in solution set we have minus 2 comma minus 1. Right, done. Now let us see seventh question. Problem number 7. So seventh problem here is solve x minus 3 into 2 plus x greater than 2 into 3x minus 1 and x belongs to a set of minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Also represent its a solution on number line. So we have to solve and then represent it on number line. So let us first write the problem. X minus 3 times 2 plus x greater than 2 times 3x minus 1. So first what we do, we open the bracket. So here we get x minus 6 minus 3x greater than 6x minus 2. I will bring all the x on left hand side. So here x minus 3x we get minus 2x. Then 6x when it brought on left hand side it will be minus 6x greater than minus 2 and this minus 6 will move. So it will become plus 6. Now minus 2x minus 6x is minus 8x. Minus 8x is greater than minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4. And this gives minus x greater than 4 upon 8. Or what we can say that we divide by minus 8 on both the sides. So here we have plus sign. And here it will be 4 upon minus 8 and this symbol greater than it will change to less than. So x is less than minus 1 upon 2. Now if we see the solution set, we have to take values which are less than minus 1. So values which are less than minus 1, minus half, it is not minus 1, minus half. So this minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1 are these values. So therefore I will say that therefore x is equals to minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So these are the various values of x. These are different values of x, right? Okay. Now let us see this eighth problem. X belongs to a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have to solve x minus 3 is less than 2x minus 1. So x minus 3 less than 2x minus 1. So x minus 2x, I will bring this 2x on left, is less than minus 1 plus 3. So here it will give me minus x less than plus 2. This will give us x is greater than minus 2. Okay, so therefore the value of x should be greater than minus 2. Now if you see all these values, they are greater than minus 2. So you will say that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9. So the value of x greater than minus 2. So these values are greater than minus 2. Now let us move to ninth problem. List the solution set of the inequation 1 by 2 plus 8x greater than 5x minus 3 by 2 and x belongs to integer. We have to list the solution set of this inequation. So here we have 1 by 2 plus 8x greater than 5x minus 3 by 2. I will bring all x on one side. So 8x minus 5x greater than minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So here we have 3x greater than minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. So I will get x greater than minus 2 upon 3. So x, the value of x is greater than minus 2 upon 3. Now the value of x is greater than minus 2 upon 3. Here it mentioned that x belongs to integer. Z is what? Integer. So therefore the values which are greater than minus 2 by 3. Now minus 2 by 3, if you check in decimal, it is minus 0.3618. So it is minus 0.67. So all values, integer values which are greater than this are, we can say that it is from 0. We will start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Right? Okay. As previously there was one problem that we have to mention the solution on number line. Okay. Also represent the solution on number line. So this we have written, but we have not represented it on number line. So you represent it on number line. So this is number line and the solutions are all negative. So let us take 0 here, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and then represent it. So just highlight these points, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. This is representation on number line. Now here we have solution 0, 1, 2, 3 and dot dot dot. So that means it is continuing till infinity. Okay, ninth problem. Now here the 10th problem is list the solution set of an equation 11 minus 2x upon 5 greater than or equal to 9 minus 3x upon 8 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so all the terms are in fraction. So first we check the LCM of all these three numbers. So here LCM of 5, 8 and 4. Now you can see 4 to the 8. So instead of checking LCM of all these three numbers, we check LCM of 8 and 5 and this is 8 5 the 40. So what we do? We multiply each term by 40. So when I multiply here by 40, so 5 8 the 40, so it will become 8 into 11 minus 2x. This is greater than or equal to, now 8 5 the, so I will multiply here by 5, 5 into 9 minus 3x and 4 10 the 40. So here I will multiply by 10 into 3. Okay, are you getting what I am doing? I am multiplying each term by 40. So when I write 40 here, so 5 8 the, so 8 into 11 minus 2x I have to do. So one step I reduced, okay, by not writing, multiplying each term by 40. Okay, now we open the bracket. So therefore here 8 11 the 88 minus 8 to the 16x. This is greater than or equal to 5 9 the 45 minus 5 3 the 15, 45 minus 15x plus 10 into 3, 10 3s are 30. Now this minus 16x and this plus 15x. So here, therefore we say minus 16x plus 15x is greater than or equal to, now here 45 plus 30, so it is 75 minus 88. So therefore here we have minus x is greater than or equal to 75 minus 88. So 8 minus 5, 3, 8 minus 7, 1. So it is minus 13. Therefore we can say that x is less than or equal to plus 13. So the value of x is less than or equal to 13. X is less than or equal to 13 is the solution. List the solution set of an equation. This is where x belongs to natural number. Now the value of x is natural number. Therefore I will say that x is equals to natural number will start from 1. So I will enlist from 1, 2, 3, 4 and this will go till 13. Okay. 10th question. Find the value of x. 11th question. Find the value of x which satisfies the n equation. Now here we have to find the value of x. So if you see this problem, we can split in two parts. Okay. What is given? K minus 2 is less than or equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 and this is less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. So better we split in two parts, like we say that K minus 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 and 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 1 5 by 6. You can do it together also. I will tell you both the ways. Okay. So here you can say that this is our first method of solving the problem. Okay. What we are doing, we are splitting this part and then we are splitting this part. Okay. It is same as when we have given x is equals to y is equals to z. So what we can say? We can say that x is equals to y and y equal to z. So the same thing we are doing here. We are splitting this inequation into inequations. Now we solve both the inequations simultaneously. So when I solve it, what we are doing, we first shift variable on left hand side. So it will become 2x by 3 minus will become plus is less than, here it is 1 by 2 and minus 2 will become plus 2. And on this side we have minus 2x by 3, it is less than, now less than or equal to 1 by 5 is 5 and the 5 plus 1 6, it is 6 divided by 5 and this 1 by 2 will move here and it will become minus 1 by 2. So therefore we will say that 2x upon 3 is less than or equal to, now 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, it is 5 upon 2 and on this side we have minus 2x divided by 3 is less than or equal to 6 to the 12 minus 5 on the 5 divided by 5 to the 10. So therefore here we have, now what we do, we take the LCM and multiply by LCM on both the sides. So here 3 to the 6, so when I multiply by 6, so it become 2 into 2x less than or equal to, here I multiply by LCM, so here it will become 3 into 5 and on this side the LCM is 30, so when I multiply by 30, so it will become minus 2x into 3 10 the 30, okay, is less than or equal to, now 12 minus 5, 7 multiplied by 3. So here I have 4x less than or equal to 3 5 the 15 and here I have minus 20x less than or equal to 21. So x is less than or equal to 15 upon 4, and here minus 20, so I divide by minus 20, so I will get x is greater than or equal to 21 upon minus 20. X belongs to natural number. I have to take natural number. Okay, so here therefore we get x is less than or equal to, now 15 upon 4, 4 3s are 12 and 30, 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are. So x is less than or equal to 3.75, and here I have x is greater than or equal to 21 upon minus 20. It will give us minus, now 10, if I remove it will be 2.1. 2.1 divided by 2 is 2 1s are 2, and then 0.5, right? I cannot divide 1, so then I will put 0, and then 10, 2 5s are 10. So 1.05 is here the division. So I will say that x is less than 3.75 and x is greater than minus 1.05. Now I have to take natural number between these numbers, so therefore I will say that therefore x is equals to natural number between these two numbers. So greater than minus 1, a natural number which I have is plus 1, then plus 2 and plus 3, because I want less than 3.75 also. So this is the solution for x. So now the problems are getting little complicated, okay, but the method remains same, so no worry, you can solve. Okay, now let us see the 12th problem. Now here the 12th problem is, if x belongs to a whole number, find the solution set of 3 by 5x minus 2x minus 1 upon 3 greater than 1. Also graph the solutions set on the number line if possible. Okay, so if possible means definitely we can graph. Here x belongs to whole number, so that means a 0 will also include. Now the problem is 3 upon 5x minus 2x minus 1 divided by 3, and this whole is greater than 1. So what is first step? Okay, what is the first step? First we have to multiply both the side by LCM of the denominator. Now 3 and 5 LCM is 15, so multiply both the side by 15. So you can say 15 into this whole, I will say that 3 upon 5 x minus 2x minus 1 upon 3, and here it is 15 into 1. Something like this means, now I am doing it in little detail. Okay, so here it is 15 into 3 upon 5x minus here 15 into 2x minus 1 upon 3, and here it is greater than 15. So 5 1s are 5 3s are 3 3s are 9, so this is 9x minus 3 5s are, so it is 5 into, we have 2x minus 1 and greater than 15. Now this is 9x minus 5 2s are 10x, and minus it will become plus 5, it is greater than 15. Now this 5 will move on that side. Here we have minus x greater than 15 minus 5. So this will give us minus x greater than 10. So now I will multiply both the sides by minus, so I will get x is less than minus 10. Okay, so x is less than minus 10, right? The problem is x belongs to a whole number, find the solution set of this. Let us once again cross check. So everything seems correct, so no problem. X less than minus 10. Now x less than minus 10 and x belongs to a whole number. So will you get any solution? No, you will not get any solution, because there is no positive values, right? So you say that x is equals to, this is called null set, or you can also write x is equals to null set. Okay, I hope you remember in sets somewhere you have learned these symbols. Okay, so X is a null set. That means nothing can be shown on the number line. So what you can do, you can draw a number line. You can write the values as 0, 1, 2, here -1, -2, but you cannot show this value. Okay, so this is how we solve this problem. Okay, so I think we stop here, and other problems let us see in the next class. Thank you.